Title: The Bridge Builder, A Lesson in Compassion and Legacy. In a remote village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a humble bridge builder named Raj. His sole purpose in life was to construct bridges that would connect the isolated villages scattered across the valley. For decades, he worked tirelessly, crafting sturdy bridges of wood and stone. Raj wasn't just a bridge builder, he was a bridge between communities. His work didn't just span rivers and chasms, it connected hearts and souls. Villagers revered him not just for his engineering skills but for his compassionate nature and unwavering dedication to his craft. One evening, as Raj was overseeing the construction of a bridge over the turbulent river that separated two villages, he received a visitor. It was an old man, hunched with age, who had to cross the river daily to visit his ailing son in the neighboring village. Tears welled in the old man's eyes as he spoke to Raj. "Sir," he began, "your bridges have brought joy to our lives. They've united our communities. But I am frail, and I fear that I may not live long enough to see this bridge completed. Would you build a bridge that my son and I can use together in our lifetimes?" Raj was moved by the old man's plea. He agreed to modify his plans and build a smaller footbridge beside the larger one. It was a labor of love, an act of compassion that extended beyond the call of duty. The old man, now able to visit his son easily, was overjoyed, and his gratitude knew no bounds. As years passed, Raj continued to build bridges, not just of stone and wood but of understanding, empathy, and unity. His bridges transcended the physical realm. They connected people's hearts. He didn't just construct structures, he wove together the fabric of the community. One day, while overseeing the construction of a grand suspension bridge that would be his magnum opus, Raj received some unexpected news. His own health had taken a serious turn, and his days of building bridges were numbered. The villagers were devastated. They came to him, expressing their deep gratitude and sorrow, for they knew that Raj's bridges had not only connected their villages but had also transformed their lives. Raj smiled warmly and said, "My friends, my bridges will stand long after I am gone. They are a testament to the power of compassion and unity. Each bridge I built taught me that it's not just about connecting places, it's about connecting people. As long as you remember the lessons of these bridges and carry the spirit of compassion in your hearts, I will live on in each one of you." Raj passed away peacefully, leaving behind a legacy of bridges that bore his name and a community forever changed by his kindness. His bridges endured, serving as a reminder that true greatness lies not in the stones and wood but in the love and compassion we extend to one another. The lesson from Raj's life is profound. Our actions, no matter how small, have the power to bridge gaps, connect hearts, and leave a lasting legacy. Through acts of compassion and understanding, we can build bridges that transcend time and connect generations, leaving a world better than we found it. Raj's legacy lives on as an eternal reminder that the most enduring bridges are those of love and compassion.